Hey everyone, HVAC Repair Guy here. I spent years as a nuclear power electrician before putting in 17 years in the HVAC trade, and today I am giving you the straight talk on two heavy hitters in the ducted split heat pump world. We are looking at a premium matchup between the Franklin GLZT7C and the Frigidaire FSH4BF. If you are looking for a unit that actually holds up in the field without all the marketing fluff, you are in the right place. Let us start with the build quality because if the cabinet fails, the rest of the unit is sitting ducks. Both of these models are built right. They both feature a louvered steel panel. In the field, that is what you want. It protects those sensitive condenser coils from hail, weed whackers, and the neighbor's dog. When we talk about efficiency and comfort, we are looking at the numbers that actually hit your wallet. The Franklin comes in with an HSPF2 of 8.2, while the Frigidaire is right behind it at 8.1. But the real story is in the compressor technology. These are two-stage units. Think of a standard heat pump like a light switch. It is either 100% on or 100% off. That leads to those annoying temperature swings and spikes in your electric bill. They can start in a low speed and have longer run cycles. This keeps your humidity low and your comfort high without the constant stop and start of a basic machine. Now, let us talk numbers for 2026. For the Franklin GLZT7C, you are looking at an equipment cost of around $3,100 for the condenser. Once you factor in a professional installation with the matching air handler and labor, you are looking at about $8,200. The Frigidaire FSH4BF runs a bit higher. The equipment alone is about $3,400, and a full professional install will land you around $8,800. Before I give you the breakdown on the warranties, here's a quick pro tip. It does not matter how much you spend if you do not maintain it. Clean your coils every spring and change those filters every month. A clean system is a happy system, and it keeps me from having to show up at your house on a Sunday afternoon. The warranty battle is where these two really separate themselves. Both brands give you 10 years on parts and 10 years on the compressor. The Franklin is built right here in the USA, which is a big plus for a lot of folks, but it offers 0 years for unit replacement. On the other hand, the Frigidaire is manufactured in Mexico, but it comes with a massive 10-year unit replacement warranty. That means if that compressor fails in year 9, they do not just give you a new part. They give you a whole new outdoor unit. So, what is the verdict? If you want the absolute best comfort and slightly better efficiency, the Franklin GLZT7C wins because it pairs that two-stage compressor with a two-stage fan. It is also a bit cheaper and American-made. But if you want the ultimate peace of mind, the Frigidaire FSH4BF takes the trophy. That 10-year unit replacement warranty is the best insurance policy you can buy in the HVAC world. Either way, you are getting a solid machine. Shop like a pro and use the head-to-head tools on HVACforbeginners.com.